Do all employers need to submit Form E?
What is Form E?
Form E is a mandatory declaration submitted by employers to the Inland Revenue Board, LHDN. It reports the number of employees and their income details for a given year.
The submission deadline is the 31st of March of the following year. However, there is a grace period until the 30th of April.
Moving on the submission portal, you can submit your filings through the My Tax portal. And please note that this is for e-filing only.
Here is an important reminder regarding the completion of your filing. Form E is only considered complete when CP8D employee income information is submitted within the stipulated deadline.
However, there is an exception. If employee data has already been submitted via eData Précis, employers are not required to submit CP8D.
Do all employers need to submit Form E?
Yes, all employers in Malaysia registered with LHD and IRB are required to submit Form E every year, even if you have no employees. Your business is inactive.
Who must submit?
All registered employers, including Sendirian Berhad, Berhad LLP, sole proprietors, and partnerships.
Now, let's look at a specific exception for sole proprietorships and partnerships. If your business has no employees, you are not required to submit CP8D. However, please take note, Form E still must be submitted. You cannot skip it entirely. Moving on to companies like Sendirian Berhad, or LLPS, the rule here is different. Even if you have no active business or no employees, you are still required to submit. You must provide the particulars of a responsible person in the organization, such as a director or owner.
To make it clearer, let's look at some examples. Example 1. ABC Sendirian Berhad has 5 employees. This is a standard case, so the company must submit both Form E and CP8D. Example 2. XYZ Enterprise has no employees. As we mentioned earlier, for enterprises, they only need to submit Form E. In this case, CP8D is not required. Example 3 is an inactive company with no business activity. Even though there's no activity, you still must submit both Form E and CP8D, and you must disclose the director's details in the form. Finally, please take the penalty seriously. Failure to submit is an offense under the Income Tax Act. You could face a fine ranging from Rm200 to Rm20,000, imprisonment, or even both. So, please ensure all filings are done on time.
Thank you for watching. We hope this video helps you stay on track and compliant with your Form E submission.
This content is provided for compliance training purposes. We will continue to share practical insights on tax and compliance topics in future training content. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel.